怎么会拍？
Okay.
Hello, welcome to our booth. This is our new whiteboard for the meeting systems. First, it can be portrait and landscape. See, this is a whiteboard with only 8mm bezel. This is a new generation for the whiteboard because only TSD can do such kind of design with the narrow bezel here, and we have a true flight design for the whiteboards. All of our whiteboards can realize both Android and Windows system. Using very smoothly, you can erase with just one pump, and or with a button here to clear all the screens. And we'll be here next year at the same booth. Welcome to come to our booth. We will launch many new products next year. And our website is www.tsd-tech.com. Thank you.